My name is Anthony Jenkins. I work for Thompson Building Associates. We are on a fire job. We're putting the roof back together because this is where the fire originated, come up through. We're replacing it. We're also doing this side over here, which we have not got to yet. We're going to put a dormer on there. Basically rebuilding the house from the inside out.
These photos were taken before the roof had actually been completed on this side. As Anthony said, the fire did reach all the way through the roof, so they did have to go ahead and tear that out. It actually started in the kitchen on the first floor, and this is a 3-story building. So they had to lay it out and level it to the measurements and also the design of the home. And this home is a historical home, so we had to make sure that we were abiding by those guidelines that the Historical Society has set for us as well. Right now, we're just taking a look through the different levels of the home. As you can see, the fire did take out pretty much the entire home, so they had to go ahead and gut it. And while they were gutting it, the owners decided that they wanted to do some remodeling as well. So we're starting to restructure their home and also the floor plan of their home. And right now we're in the second level of their home, and we did reroute those stairs so they used to go out to the left instead of straight up like I was showing you. Right now Anthony and I are going up the scaffolding so I can see what the fire had damaged on the outside of the home, and also just to get a better view of what the roof looks like now that they have torn off that left hand side and are about to go into the right hand side to put on that dormer. Right now he's showing me how they have safety steps up on the roof since it is a more angled roof than they are normally working on. So these points of contact will make sure that they don't fall off. They also had harnesses up there to ensure the safety of all the workers while they're up there. And then over here on the left hand side is the completed portion of what they have done. So when the roofers come, they can go ahead and just put the shingles on for them. And then the right hand side that we're going to be looking at is where the dormer is going to go on the roof. So in these next few pictures, we can see how they have gone ahead and ripped out that section of the roof so they can start constructing a new room upstairs for these homeowners. And on the right hand side over there is where the shelving is. This is going to act as more of a storage space. So they want to make sure that they have plenty of storage upstairs for those homeowners.
Thanks for coming out today. The next time you come, we're actually in the middle stages of the framing. The next time you come out, this elevation here will have a dormer built in. It's a live dormer, so you can actually see out of it. I hope to see you then.